Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to create furniture for 2D floor plan. So you can click on empty file. I will change into Sketchup and choose a top view. Click create sketch, use XY plan and click OK. I will draw the rectangle and use the dimension. I will set this line into 900, and for this line object I will set 1900 and press escape button to close, and then select these all entities, click offset tools, and I will offset the top here. After it, you can draw a rectangle again, start from this point here, and I will create arch by using create arch by 3 points. We'll click from this point to here, and you can move, click, that again in another side, the top, and then in the bottom here. You can select the line object and press delete button. After it, I will create the polyline object from this point, move into here. Okay, click at this point again, and then you can connect. Press escape button to close, and you can select the line object, press delete button, use arch. I will create from this point into here and connect into here. After it, use trim tools, cut this arch also in here. So we create this single bed small. Now you can close, and then we can go into draft. Click here and choose draft. After it, you can click at these icons to convert the sketch into wire. We have this wire and sketch. You can select this sketch and press delete button. Next, I will create group. You can right click in this uname and then click create group. After it, I will select these entities and you can move into group. Don't forget to change the group name. I will set into small single bed. You can save, click file, save, set the name, small single bed. Click save. Can close. And after it, I will open the last floor plans tutorial. Okay, this is for the floor plan. You can insert by clicking file, import, and then choose this small single bed. Click open. So we have this small single bed. You can select at this folder, hold, and then you can move to the top like this. You can close the single bed file and click discard. You can select again this small single bed, this object, click rotate. I will rotate, click from this point here, set 90 degree, and then select again, move the objects here. So that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorial, how to create furniture for 2D floor plan. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.